And for your KD Sportswear Best Player of the Game ng ating Day 1 ng Play-In Tournament, Lyndon Parte. You really can't count out itong si Lyndon Parte kasi kahit hindi yan kasama sa MVP candidate, he can really put out numbers. And maybe it is time to adjust para sa ibang team. Pag nandito si Lyndon Parte, they have really a big chance to win every game in this season, kaibigan.
Tama ka dyan, and Shepherds now earns the chance to beat the Matitay K3L, and Matitay K3L may twice to beat advantage, pero hindi natin pwedeng masabi na panalo na sila agad laban dito sa Shepherd dahil sa mga ganitong laruan ni Lyndon Parte, kaibigan.
Tama ka dyan. So ayan, sa ating KD Sportswear Best Player of the Game, Lyndon Parte.